A lot of you buy things on Jumia and even recommend products to your family and friends on Jumia daily. What if I tell you just by recommending Jumia products, you can make up to 50,000 naira or even more on Jumia every month? Probably free money, right? Still to the end of this video and I'll show you just how. What's going on, guys? Sagebi is here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money from Jumia, and I'm also going to teach you how you can drive traffic to Jumia so that you make more money. I'll advise you still to the end of this video because the important steps that you don't want to miss are towards the end of this video. Now let's get into the video. You go to your URL and type in Jumia KOL affiliate. Go to join to earn commission. Now it takes you to the page for the Jumia program. This is the whole page. Then you sign in or you register. I created an account earlier, so I'll just have to sign in. Now, once you sign in, this is going to be the page, your dashboard. And when you're signing in, they will ask you for some of your details. Put in your exact bank details, the details on your ATM card. You bear 3 names, but your ATM card normally carries 2 names. That is what you will use. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave all your questions in the comment section below. I am going to answer them and I'm going to help you out wherever you're not cleared. And also, in my previous video, I showed how to open a Facebook page from the scratch for business purpose and how to make your custom logo and your photo cover, linked in the description below. Please click on it and check on it, guys. Now, there are 2 ways you can actually earn from Jumia and KOL. The first one I'll be taking you on is custom links. In custom links, yeah, you go to e-commerce, then you click on Nigeria. Because you're in Nigeria, and if you are doing it in your country, you click on the country below. Now, this is your link details. When we're talking about custom link, I will show you soon, is that you go to Jumia if you want to post a custom link, not the affiliate. Now, you go to the real Jumia website. Now, this is the real Jumia website. Now, in custom link, what you do is you click on a particular product or a particular page on this Jumia website that you want to promote. Like if I'm clicking these 2-in-1 men's shorts, now always remember to promote the ones with 30%, 35%, because those ones actually brings in more crowd to your page. Now I'm trying to promote that, but what you do is instead of promoting one page, you promote all. Like I typed in men's sneakers, and you see the link I'm copying above of men's sneakers. I copied it, then I paste it here. Then you see at the other right hand side, the link pops up. Now this is your affiliate link. Then I paste it here. Then you see at the other right hand side, the link pops up. Now this is your affiliate link. We'll go to our Facebook. Now this is my Facebook page. Video, I'll be using Facebook as an example, but you can also post your link on other sites, and you go to create post. Make sure the public is turned on. Then you paste your link here. If you see the link is too long, it's for viewers to view it. So what you do is you go to a site called bit.ly.com. You click on bit.ly shortening link. Now, you do not need to register in this site. Just scroll down Yes, post your link here, shorten, copy. Now go back to Facebook. Now this link is much better than it was before. Do not copy the link of one, just copy the full page. Now if you click on that link, you see that it will redirect me here. Anybody, I clicked on the link, that's why it brought me here. Anybody that purchased any of these products using that your link, you will get a commission. This your link here. Anybody that purchase. Now what you do is you go back to this link and you download the pictures on this link. After downloading the picture, you put the picture here so that it does not look like you're posting only link. But this is actually for custom links. Yeah, I've uploaded the picture. Then you write something there. Get your quality sneakers. Just something creative on Jumia with top discounts. Everybody loves discount, right? So you put something creative that will get people's attention. An emoji also. Now, if you have the money, you can boost posts. But we are not boosting posts, so we just paste the link. Voila. Now, if you see this place, it's just like the former post I made. But if you click on that link, see, it will take you back. Yeah, follow link. It will take you back to that page. Now, this page you are seeing here, it's your own custom page. Anybody that buys anything from this page, you get a commission. Now, let me tell you the other place, the other part. I'll go to the first start so that you understand it better. This is our dashboard, right? Now, what you go is the other part. You go to advertising. Then this one you go to offers. This one is different from custom link. We've done custom link. Now it's offer. The same thing. You click on Nigeria. Now custom link. Why you use you download pictures for to put in custom link? Offers, they have their own custom pictures, so you don't need to download pictures again. You just you can shorten their link directly from here. Now this is their own custom banner. That's what you call it. They have their own custom banner. So this place is you choose the banner, the size of the banner, particularly to the one you want. They have different sizes, so just pick the one you feel is good for you. I think this one is okay. It's a bit small and it's catchy. Then you download the banner. This now offers normally have bigger commissions, right? Offers normally have bigger commissions. In custom link, you don't know the commissions you are getting, but in offer sometimes they tell you the commissions you are getting. They can tell you like you are getting 30% commission from this offer. So I think offer is mostly more when you get money. Yeah. So we are back a year. So you want to post, right? Now you go, like you see, I went back to the page and I just copied that National Sneakers Day. Then you put it there, then shop on Jumia today. Thank me later. Yeah, you want to tell them to thank you later because you're showing them a page where they have great discounts. Yeah. Now, yeah, put emoji. Emoji catch people's attention. Sure you get. Now you see the yeah, you post, and you can also boost posts. You see. Now anybody that clicks on this link, it takes them to shop on Jumia Sneaker Day, which is an offer. Now anything they buy from that place, you earn a commission. Now I'm going to be showing you now the first style I've showed you is how to post on your Facebook page timeline. Now the one I'm going to show you now is, let me use another custom link as example. Okay, for home appliances. The one I'm going to show you now is how to use other means to post on Facebook. Like I said, in this video, we'll be discussing more about how to post these links on Facebook. And I think this banner is okay. Just download it. Remember, I told you this banner code is when you want to download, probably you want to post this banner in a website. You just copy the banner code and you embed it in the banner. Anybody that clicks on the banner takes the person straight to this site. Now, the second one is posting on your real Facebook account. Now, this is my Facebook page. Now, we're going to my real Facebook account. First thing is you search for a place where is familiar with what you are doing. Like I'm posting a home appliances. What is quickly related to home appliances? Wedding. People who marry always want to get home appliances, right? So you can post it on their page. Make sure what you are posting is in line with where you are posting it to. Like if you are posting a drone stuff or you are posting phones, you go to a page. You search for a page where you see that people use more drone stuff. Like this is wedding, Blossom wedding website, and for an invite, people here are marrying, so definitely they will want home appliances. Now, what you do is you just make sure. Another thing I'll tell you is make sure the custom link is the first thing you are posting. Your referral link is the first. Let it be the first thing they see there before you type anything. You see, I always add a referral link at the top position. It's very important because there are some posts that they will cut the half. So if you post something before your referral link, they might cut your referral link and nobody will see it. So you post it first so that even if they want to cut it half, they will see the referral link to post. Please always remember that. You see, we have posted it here. Now other people might come and always check the comments and the shares. You see the comment and the shares is 420 something. It's better at least if you get like 10 comments from this place, it's something. It's something. Now when you click on the link, see it just takes you directly to the home and office page. Right? Now it takes you to this page. Now anybody that buys anything from this page, you get a commission. You get a commission. So that is how you earn. That is the second part, posting on your normal this. Now the third part is posting on Reels. Reels is Facebook videos that people post. Now, this place is another major way to get traffic to your Jumia affiliate. I mean, you just go down, you see people posting here and people liking their posts. So what you do is you post here. You can scroll down again, post another thing. Now, the third one I'm going to be showing you is to post on Facebook Live. Guys, this is I don't know how to put this, but if this is like the best. Okay, I was doing this video at the late hour of the night, so I doubt if there will be any live here in Nigeria because this video is shoot from Nigeria. I doubt if there will be any live here in Nigeria, but what you do is you go down and you see live marriage. You know, we are searching about marriage. You see live marriage, you just make your post in the live. As you are making your post, you see people commenting on your post real time. Now I'm using this as an example. This is not a live video, but if this was a live video, you see all these posts here going up and you post it and you see people commenting on your post real time. Like you can start posting on live continuously and you see people clicking on the link continuously and you see you're making profit continuously. That now we have come to the end of the video. Guys, consistency is the key. There's some place you can also post your affiliate link. It's on a blog site. You see that is driving traffic. You can create a website where you do blog posts. You can post it on your own blog. You can, as you know that traffic can come there. You can use it like me on YouTube. Then you can also post it on your WhatsApp status, or you can post it on a WhatsApp group, or you can DM a friend requesting him or her to purchase a product. Probably you tell somebody to purchase a product, you just give the person your link. And you can even send it as a text message to somebody to buy a product from Jumia. The funny part is that you can also use your own link to buy your own product and get commissions. Yeah, it's funny, right? Like you're buying something and you're getting cashbacks. Yeah, you can do that. That's all I've got. Please, if this video was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment below. See you in my next video.